Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we are going to discuss the remaining topic. Already yesterday we discussed the part 1 number series. Today part 2. This is also finding next value. Tomorrow we are going to find missing terms in number series problems. Okay guys. Now this every question is very important regarding our prelims exams in SBI Clerk 2021. Now going to start. Yesterday part 1, there is last question is 4 to 0.5, 0.25, 0.5. Next value is what? Next value is what? Hello guys, just observe here. Now to conclude any question, given any question, not only these 6 questions, in previous upcoming whatever number series problems are based on observation only, based on common sense, but that every observation with squares or cubes or addition or multiplication or subtraction only there. Okay guys, that's why no need to confuse, just clearly observe there and read question peacefully, answer immediately. Okay guys, now observe here. 4 became as here 2, 2 became as here 0.5, 0.5 became as 0.25, then again 0. Next is what? What is next means when 4 is multiplied with 0.5, then we will get 2. Multiplied with 0.5, it means nothing but multiply with 1 by 2. 2 how many times? 2. 2 how many times for 2? That's why it gives 2. It gives 2. Then again 2 became as 0.5. 2 became as 0.5. At what case? 2 became as 0.5 means 50 paisa. Here it is 22 rupees are there. It means when we divide it with 0.25, when we divide this with 0.25, hello guys, 0.25, then it is become as 0.5, 0.5. Then again 0.5 is become as 0.25. Then again 0.5 is become as 0.25. 0.5 means 50 paisa. 0.25 means 25 paisa. When 50 paisa is divided by half, then it is become as 25 paisa. Paisa no guys. It means the next we have to do here multiply with 0.5. It means just observe here 0.5, 0.5, 0.25, 0.25, 0.5, again 0.5 is here. It means the series is follows it as an guys. It means next is what? Next is what means when 0.5 double 2 times, it becomes 0.25. Double of 0.25 is gives 0.5. This gives 0.5. It means our answer is 2. Which is our answer? 2 is our answer. Why? Because of just observe here 0.5, 0.5, 0.25, 0.5, 0.5. The next value should be here. The next value should be here. Okay, guys. This is answer for last videos, last problem. Previous videos, last problem. Okay, guys. Now the next one is here given. 32 became as 17, 17 became as 18, 18 became as 37 and something. Hello guys, observe here. The value is going to decrease and gradually it is increases. Gradually it is increases. It means the things should be multiplication with the same values like 0.5, 0.25 or 0. Something. Just observe here 32. If we multiply it with half, then we have to gain here 16. But which one is here? 17 is here. If we then next case we have to gain something, but here which one is here? 18 is here. Then here also 37 is here. It means just observe here guys. Multiply with 0.5. Then multiply with 1. Then multiply with 2. Double of 18 is 36 plus 1. 17 one time. 17 one time. Observe it guys. 17 one time. 17 plus 1. Half of the 32 is 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1. It means just observe. 0.5 2 times is 1. 1 2 times is 2. The next one is into 4 plus 1. Into 4 plus 1. Okay guys. That's why what is our answer? 37. 4 times is what? 37 4 times. So it means 35 4 times is 140. 2 4 times is 8. It means 148 plus 1. Now your answer is 149. Now your answer is 149. Just observe it. The added value is equal. But the multiplication here 0.5, then it is doubles. 0.5 double is 1. 1 double is 2. That's why 2 doubles is 4. Okay guys, right. Next answer. Next answer. Just observe. Here also. 16 becomes 9. 9 becomes 10. 10 becomes 16. The next is what? The same thing here also. The same thing. Just observe here. Half of this 16 is 8. Is 8 plus 1. Half of this 16. 16 when multiplied with 0.5 becomes 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. Next 9 into 1 plus 1. 9 into 1 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus 1 is 10. Then later observe here. Here it is 0.5, then it is becomes 1. Then 10 becomes here 16. 10 becomes here 16 means the value 0.5 to 0.5. Then again 0.5. It means 1.5. 1.5. 10 1 times is 10. 10.5 is 15 plus 1. 16. That's why the next question is 16 2 times is 32 plus 1 is 33 is your answer. Hello guys. What is the difference between previous question to present question? In previous question that every value is double itself. When come to here, in each and every case 0.5 is added. 0.5 is added. Okay guys. Right. Next question. Next question. Here observe here. Very important. Here 3 becomes 26. 26 becomes 15. 15 becomes 124. 120 becomes something. Hello guys. This question is very important. Observe here. Here it is 3, 26, 15, 124. It means this is 1 less of square. It means 1 more of a square. It means 1 less of a square. But when come to here, this is not a square. 124 means 5 cube minus 1. This one is exactly 4 square minus 1. If here cube, here is square, it means here either to the power of 1, if not cube, we have to follow. That's why, just observe here. 5, 4, next 3 cube 27 minus 1. 3 cube 27 minus 1, 26. It means what about it? Here it is square, then here should be square. 2 square minus 1. Hello guys. Square, cube, square, cube. Here square. Which square? 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 6 square minus 1. 6 square is 36. Minus 1 is 35. Which one here? 35 is our answer. 35 is our answer. Okay guys. Right. Next question. Observe here. Next question. Very simple question. Just observe here. 41 became as 45. 45 became as 65. 65 became as 95. 95 became something. It means the difference from here to here is 4. 45 to 65 is 20. 65 to 95 is 30. It means what next? Hello guys, here it is 4. 20 means 4 into 5. 30 means 5 into 6, for example. But what about it? Here consecutive values multiplication. The both values are in a series, but here not connected. Yes or no? That's why just simply think it is. Once observe here. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 6 into 5 is equal to 30. The next is 9 into 5 is equal to 45. Next is what now? 9 into 5 is equal to 45. Just now we have to do 95 plus 45 is our answer. Then 140 is our answer. Which is our answer? 140 is our answer. Okay guys. Right. We are going to next question. Just observe here. What is here? 48, 24, 16, 12 and it means the value is going to decreases. It means there is a division or multiplication with decimal point. Division or multiplication with decimal point. Hello guys, decimal is nothing but fraction value. Okay guys. Now 48 becomes 24. It means multiply with 0.5. But 24 is become here 16. Observe it guys, very very important. 24 is become as here 16. It means 24 is 8 3 times. 16 is 8 2 times. 48 means 8 6 times. 8 6 times 6 3 2. 3 2 okay, they are in series, but this is not series. Here also the series going to fail. The series going to fail. It means just observe here 0.5 you can, I am going to write 1 by 2. Hello guys, just observe here. Next one is 1 by 2. Next I am going to multiply it with 2 by 3. Observe here. 1 2 2 3. 1 2 2 3. It means 24 into 3. How many times? 3 8 times. 8 into 2 gives 16. 8 into 2 gives 16. Okay guys. The next value is here 1 2 2 3. It means next 3 by 4. For every case, the value is going to increase. 3 means 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means 16 into 3 by 4. How many times? For 4 times 4 into 3 is 12. The next one is 12 into 4 by 5. 12 into 4 by 5. It means 5 not divides 12. That's why 12 4 times is equal to 48. Then our answer is 48 by 5. 48 by 5. It means 5 how many times? 5 9 times. Then 3 is remainder. And keep pointer. Then 3 becomes 30. 5 how many times? 9.6. It means what is our answer? 9.6. Okay guys. Just observe here. For about these 3 questions. There is 6 questions. Just idea is important, and idea and observation is important. If you know this everything, then you can conclude that every answer. No need to follow any method is here. For every question, The series should be different. Okay guys, that's why which one is important means if you are interested to gain 5 out of 5 every day, minimum 30 to 40 number series problems you have to do. Okay guys, I hope you can do it. Thank you all. Please subscribe our channel.